Good morning, it's Tom with the Tractor Rescue Ranch. I've really been sidetracked with other projects, but I'm finally going to get back to working on this carriage for the sawmill today. So what I've got here, these wooden boards are just in here loose, held together by the axle deal. So I've got some clamps here. I'm going to clamp them in really tight as I can get them to the angle iron here, and then put some bolts in. I want to get them as tight as I can before I drill the holes so that everything stays tight and doesn't get to working. So that's what my project is today, March 30th. I pretty much had my pad over there where I'm going to put the sawmill. I had all the snow melted off of it, and I was just getting ready to push the topsoil off, and we got up this morning to a couple inches of snow the end of March. So we got some real nice weather in the middle of the week next week, and I'm hoping that I can get that pad prepared by the middle of next week. Got it clamped up really tight as I can get it there, and then it's that one across the bottom is pulling it tight that way, so I'm going to drill some holes and start putting bolts in. My big drill bit's not quite long enough. Gonna have to find a longer drill bit. This bit here is the only bit that I could come up with here at the house that's long enough, but it'll work just fine. And of course my battery's dead. Go switch batteries. Boy, that pulls down nice and tight. I'm just going to bolt this right here on the end, because down in here in the metal there's a cross piece welded in there, so I don't see a reason to have a piece of bolt going all the way through to tie them together. When I get down here in the center where there's nothing but wood in the center of them, I'll use the long, like all thread rods to pull it together, but here on the end I don't see a reason to use one of those all threads up. Move over to this opposite side now and get it all tied together. Well, I got this pulled down, and then this one on the end. It's got it pulled in tight and pulled down on that side. So I'm going to swap to the opposite side down here and do the same thing, and then I'll get the center ones in it. Well, I'll probably just finish this video up here. I need to, next time I go to town, I need to get some longer bolts than what I've got to bolt there, and then this piece here needs to be bolted down with some longer bolts, so I don't have long enough ones. So I'll close this out, but anyway, as soon as I get this piece all together with the wood pulled down tight and everything, I'll start cleaning up all of these parts up here for paint. I've been dragging my feet on that because my painting, I've been just taking the pieces out and bringing them in where it's warm to paint them, but this piece is not going inside where it's warm, so been dragging my feet on getting it done, but there's a lot of cleanup work to do here, and then when it warms up enough, I'll just paint it out here in the shop. So that's where we're at today. We got a little bit more work done, ready to keep moving forward. Hopefully next week I'll have more time to devote to this sawmill. Thanks for watching.